thank you for coming back to watch another amazing wig video that I have for you. Again, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. So let's get inspired by this amazing wig that I have for you. I actually bought this wig like 2 years ago. I literally didn't even cut the lace off, so I just cut it off. I cannot believe that I didn't even attend to it. So let's talk about it. I actually got this wig from wigtypes.com. I will leave the link down below for you. So this is by Isis right here. So this is the brown sugar soft Swiss lace right here, and it is a human hair style mix. I do have it in this gorgeous color of this OM1B / silver. So it is in this beautiful coral silver color. Also, this has a lace deep side part as well. I literally, like I said, this is when the pastels were like really first coming out, and I'm like, I have to have it. So I love pastel colors, and I love the gradation. So as you can see here, silver with some dark roots here, and then it just flows into this beautiful, like super soft, like almost like Barbie bubblegum pink. It is gorgeous. Wow. I love this gradation. It's actually beautifully, I love curled wigs, like soft, because my hair would never do stuff like this. So I absolutely love it, and I'm really excited to try it. So try it on finally after 2 years. So it does have 2 clips on the side here, and then 1 clip in the back for you. Let's put it on, of course. So I do have a wig cap right here. I have it in nude, and I did get it from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. I bought a 10-pack. It was like $6. Literally such a great deal. Always have a wig cap around, so just buy the 10-pack. Of course, you don't have to wear a wig if you don't want to. You could do literally whatever you want, and there's all different styles and colors of wig caps. So you just find one that works for you or doesn't work for you. So, okay, everything is good, everything's tucked in. Let's put this on. I cannot believe I literally haven't tried it on since I first put it on like years ago. Didn't even cut the lace. Okay, so let's take a peek at what's going on here. Exactly. I do feel it's a little bit light, like the ends are light. It isn't very full of a wig. Let me see what's going on here. If I can, I normally have my hair on this side parted. Oh wow, this is really nice. I just love this color. It's so like fresh and striking. Yeah, I do feel like the ends are very light. Like I feel like it's just very light on the bottom here. So let's take a peek. Ooh, what do you guys think about this? Do you guys have this? I mean, I was really interested. I mean, this right here, what color? This is a lavender. Wow, I don't know if you can see it, but wow, so great. And even this dark one right here, it says it's a blue purple. That would be very interesting to check out, but wow. Oh my gosh, I really like this. Other than it being a little light, which is fine because, you know, you don't have to have the extremely full wigs all the time. You can actually have something that actually probably feels more like regular hair of the actual amount. So I do really dig it. It definitely is more on, you know, for me, I'd part it on this side, which is exactly the part that I would wear it. Wow, I'm definitely wearing this out. Like this is gonna be seen in the summer this year, so prepare yourself, people. This is what I'm gonna be wearing. Wow, oh my gosh, I'm so excited that I finally cut the lace off. In fact, here it is, right here. I just cut the lace right off the front here, just like that, boom. But let me know what you guys think. If you have this wig, maybe if you have it in one of those other colors, I'd love to know about it. I'd love to see it. send me a message, Instagram me. Literally, I want to know, I want to hear from you. Let's keep spreading the positivity for the world and empower each other and just make the world a better place, one positive comment and thought at a time. And also remember, the most important part of all these videos, life is short, wear a wig, just have fun. And just literally, if you can be glamorous, be glamorous. It is your absolutely right every single day to be as glamorous as you want to be. So I always say, if it's in my closet, I'm wearing it. So again, thank you so much for stopping by, coming by, liking it, subscribing, and sharing my videos. I do appreciate every single one of you, and I thank you. And we will see you soon.